Hazrat ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu reports, when Makkah was conquered, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, immigration is no more now, but holy war and good intention still exist. When you are summoned to go out for Allah's cause, go forth hurriedly. And on the day of the conquest of Makkah, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu declared this city a sanctuary when he Jalla Jalaluhu created the heavens and the earth. So it is a sanctuary by Allah's decree till the day of resurrection. And undoubtedly bloodshed was not allowed for anyone here before me, and it was made lawful for me for a short period of time. Then it is again a sanctuary till the day of resurrection. Its thorns will not be cut, nor its game must be chased after, nor its fines be picked up save the one who announces it publicly, nor its grass be mowed. Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhu submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, except idkhir, because it is used in our houses and by the goldsmith. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, saves idkhir. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3189.